because I see a lot of, it's not really a shield. A shield, like think in old ancient times, like that movie 300, that shield better work or else that big javelin thing is gonna go right through that shield. No, I'll do the shield. This is my program. Okay. Whenever this happens here and he's passing here, I want to get the shield, I want to drive that knee, okay, right into that hip so I can begin to get up and essentially begin to roll him over myself with that knee shield, okay? This is a good drill for you guys to be able to do, to see whether or not your shield can actually be used as a weapon, because a shield, yes, can block arrows and all kinds of stuff in medieval times that's being thrown at you, or swords and all that, but you can beat the hell out of somebody with a shield also. You should be able to, okay? So as we're here, okay, I clamp deep with my right knee, and as my left knee, and I'll do it from a reverse angle here, okay, I'm pulling the bottom leg and I'm driving that, you know, and now I can feel pressure here. If he pressures into me, it's almost like it's hard for him to even get that left leg up. Yeah. So if here I go and do like a push-up position and driving backwards, we get into basically a half attack here we did in the beginning. Okay. So watch the key, my friend, is the step. I want to get my right leg deep enough where I'm pulling his knee in, driving the knee, and then look, my bottom toes point, front toes point, and I'm going to pull back. Does that make sense? On, one more time, my bottom toes, as now I'm driving it right in his hip. If I go into reverse push-up position here, and driving backwards here, you're able to take him back. So this is what I want you guys to do. But that step is the essential component to the knee shield. Because without this right here, Mike can take his hand, pull it across, and pat. He doesn't even need to do that. Without the step, pull it across. I don't have any power. It's all hip flexion. It's all these weak little muscles. Here, this foot is stopping the knee from being removed across the hip. As he pulls in, and I can drive it in right here. And we can keep it going here. And still climb. Here, get in the same position now. And then you scoot here. Push, pull. Point your toes. Block it. And maybe two more. Does that make sense, guys? One thing I want you guys to understand is you're going to go into a push. But for the top person, so you don't pop your foot, you're going to have your toes in. So, because you have to anticipate falling to your left. As I'm here, look, push, point, and I push. Because he's removing my knee, he has to push it that way. It goes into my step right here. If I'm like this, remove it, it uncrosses my feet. I'm here, okay? And now I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna arch away, and I'm gonna go up on my elbows and drive me back. And then this is right in the hip. And we're done. Okay? So one line. Come on. Yeah. Look. This leg is preventing him from removing this knee. Okay. Especially when there's pressure. As my bottom leg pulls, I'm going to get up on my elbow and just basically drive him back. Because his left leg is bent. And I keep driving him back. Get over his knees. As see, I still clamp his hip. Try that a couple times. Your left toes should be pulled in, okay? You're gonna go belly down, elbows, and on your hands. You're gonna get into that reverse twist. Yeah. Cross your feet so that you can fall back. This way. Yeah. Okay? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Try it. Make sure that there's space.